Welcome to the show. In what seems to be a major setback to immediate former Chief Justice Willie Mutunga's efforts to clear a backlog of cases in courts, the Supreme Court has nullified 400 criminal cases that were heard by mixed judge benches set by Mutunga to actually reduce or expedite court rulings. Now, the Supreme Court Judge Justice Lenaola delivered the ruling and ordered fresh trials, saying those benches that heard and determined the 400 criminal cases were not properly constituted, and as such, their rulings are null and void. Duncan Hemba kicks off tonight's bulletin.
The shocking verdict was delivered by the highest court in the land as it ruled on petition number 5 of 2015, a matter in which the Director of Public Prosecution had appealed decision of Court of Appeal that 3 accused persons of robbery with violence be retried. The 3 accused persons, Karisa Chengo, Jefferson Kenga and Kisao Kati, had appealed magistrate's decision that sentenced the 3 to death after being found guilty of robbery with violence. A ruling they appealed which saw Lady Justice Christine Meoli and Justice Oscar Ngote rule in their favor that they be tried afresh, which prompted the DPP to seek redress at the Supreme Court. However, the DPP has suffered a major setback after the Supreme Court rendered its verdict that all mixed judge benches that had and determined 400 criminal cases were not properly constituted. The Supreme Court ruled that the said judges had taken oaths of office that restricted them to environmental and land matters and not criminal cases, and therefore all the rulings are null and void, hence ordering fresh trials. This essentially means that those who had lost their cases stand a second chance to be heard afresh, whereas for those who had been let off the hook, the state will have no option but to hunt them down afresh and present them before courts to stand fresh trial. Equally, all civil cases that were determined by same benches suffer similar fate. The Friday morning ruling is seen as a major blow to efforts by immediate former Chief Justice Willie Mutunga, who had set up the special judge benches between 14th to 18th October 2013, which, while sitting during week-long Judicial Service Week, ruled on 1,500